SWE is a international organization, and we at GCU have our own little section.
We work really hard on your hard skills and your soft skills. So that can look like resume buildings, elevator pitch workshops, as well as welding, woodworking, laser engraving, you name it. Today is a very fun workshop that we get to do. We are building derby cars for GCU's homecoming. It's usually like 9 or 10 derby cars. This is like our giant construction day, building all of them, routing the edges, gluing all the pieces together, screwing them all in, putting in like the bearings and the wheels and everything. The engineering professors are here for you as well. They've helped me a lot and they make me feel comfortable if I maybe don't get it. All of our engineering professors really do care about your well-being. Having all these opportunities to join clubs and be in the workshops and all of the hands-on labs that we have in the engineering department, it really just solidified what I wanted to do. How I like to serve others is to push them outside of their comfort zone, to be able to grow as a person, do things that you never thought you'd be able to do.
And we've got all of these different engineering clubs like SWE, Canyon Motorsports, IEEE, robotics, so much more. Their whole focus is getting people in the shops, getting them to learn new things. I feel very honored to be at a school where there's so many awesome hands-on opportunities.